In this problem, we're given a volume and a pressure of a gas in a container before a stopcock is opened, and just a volume of the other gas. But they do give us the total pressure once the stopcock is opened and the gases have mixed. They tell us that total pressure is 301 torr, and before the stopcock is opened, the hydrogen has a volume of 2 liters and a pressure of 397 torr. Here we have an unknown number of torr. So what we've got to do is apply Boyle's law twice and Dalton's law once. Boyle's law will be applied for each of the two gases. Let's start with the hydrogen. P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2. Before the stopcock is opened, we have a pressure of 397 torr and a volume of 2 liters. After the stopcock is opened, we don't know what the new pressure is, but we're going to solve for it. And we can presume that volumes can be added together. So if on one side of the system there's a volume of 2 liters, and on the other side it's 1 liter, if we add those together, we arrive at 3 liters. So 397 torr times 2 liters equals some new pressure times 3 liters. Well, the new pressure works out to be 265 torr. Now for the interesting part. If we use Dalton's law, when the stopcock is opened and the gases are intermixed, we know that the total pressure will be the sum of the pressures of the individual gases. So we have the pressure of hydrogen added together with the pressure of nitrogen. They give us that total number. The total pressure is 301 torr. The pressure due to just the hydrogen we've solved for here with Boyle's law, 265 torr. It's the pressure due to nitrogen that we're after. Now that pressure, when we solve for it, is the pressure of the nitrogen after the stopcock is opened. In this case, it works out to be 36. So the 36 torr is the pressure due to nitrogen after having everything opened up. Now let's apply Boyle's law to the nitrogen. The initial pressure is what we don't know and what we're asked to find. The initial volume was 1 liter. The final volume is what we found using Dalton's law, 36 torr. And the final volume, so this is the final pressure is 36 torr. The final volume is the same as the final volume for the hydrogen. It's just the sum of the 2 liters and 1 liter side of the system. And since those two gases would occupy the same space, it'll be the same volume. And when we crunch those numbers, the pressure works out to be 108 torr.